Now in this video I'm going to talk about the angle bisector. This is a very important topic. Further, if you want to move in geometry chapter, then we must know what is angle bisector. This term will come many times, so that's why I'm writing here what it is. Angle bisector means suppose if you have an angle and this angle is, suppose let me give the name, this is A, O and B. AOB is my angle, and in interior part of the AOB, interior part means this part, I'm talking about this part is called interior part. Alright, so in interior part of the B, if I have a point anywhere, suppose here is my point X, somewhere I have point X. Alright, and now again, if a line goes from this point X and the origin, or you can say the point where this OA and OB line meets, alright, something like this, such that after going that, such that it happens that this angle and this angles becomes equal. I meant to say this is your X, and if this is X degree, then if this is also X degree, or you can say whatever the angle is, this the same angle is here. So in that time I can say that these two are equal angles, alright, equal angles, and therefore this white line OX, right, this white line that I draw recently, which make exactly two angles here. From one angle it makes the whole angle into two equal halves. Alright, bisected is, bi means two, sect means cutting. It cut this angle into the two part. Alright, so that way this OX line is called angle bisector. Let me give one more example. Suppose I have a triangle here I have a triangle, and in this triangle suppose here is any angle, you suppose this is A, B, C. Alright, and now if I'm going to draw the angle bisector of B, then it is something like this. If this B, let me say P, alright, this BP line is the angle bisector, then it has to meet certain criteria. It has to divide this whole angle B into exact two equal halves. Exact two equal halves means this angle should be exactly equal with this angle. Alright, then in that case I can say that my BP line is angle bisector of B, alright, of angle B, you can say. So that time BP will be the angle bisector of B. Similarly, like if I want to draw here angle bisector of A, then that time I have to make a line middle from the almost middle in the angle A. Alright, so again it has to meet certain criteria. It has to make this complete angle A into two equal halves, such that this and this part both will be equal. If it is like if it is suppose 35 degree, then it must be 35 degree. If it is suppose 45 degree, if this angle is, then it must be 45 degree. Then only I can say that angle A, suppose M, is the angle bisector of A, angle A. Alright, simple. So angle bisector, very simple concept. Any angle you have and such a line which exactly making it into the two equal parts. Alright, such type of the line is called angle bisector. So here this line is the angle bisector because it is going to make exact two sides, two angle it is going to make from the initial line what he had. Suppose AOB we had, and it made angle AOP. Here we get angle AOP. Alright, AOP equal to angle BOP. In that case what I can say that OP is an angle bisector. That's it.